Survivor, which is funny. But you say it's actually a love story and about family.
Well, you know, there's a small child at the center of it, and his father wants to get to him because the child himself has never met him, and the child asks him to come to visit him, and he, in a moment of weakness, because he's very conflicted about it, he says he will go, but he doesn't want to go alone, of course. So he sort of cons these two friends of his to come along on this bus trip, and it's hilarious.
We saw it. I thought it was a terrific show.
Isn't it great?
It's very good. It's lively. It makes you feel good. The music is wonderful.
It really is a great night in the theater. It has everything you want.
Which is why it's surprising, because I think we assumed you'd be on stage with the costumes and the songs.
Well,
Tell me there's going to be a performance.
I have to tell you the truth. When I saw it, I saw it in London for a couple of years ago, and I was like, I could not get over what the audience was doing. The audience was absolutely bonkers. They all were dressed up, and they were screeching, and they were dancing in the aisles. I'm like, wow, this looks like a hit. You know? So when they asked me, when they invited me in, I said, well, against my better